American Standard Circuits presents Printed Circuit Board Terms and Definitions, a 77-second webinar series.
PCB anchoring spurs and pad fillets. Anchoring spurs and pad fillets are both important considerations in the design of flexible PCBs, especially those intended for applications involving repeated flexing or mechanical stress. Anchoring spurs are typically small tabs or extensions of the pad that help prevent excessive movement or shifting of the flexible circuit during operation, reducing the risk of damage or failure. Pad fillets are teardrop features added to the pads to reduce stress concentration and prevent cracking or delamination during flexing. This poor design has two major potential flaws. The pad is subject to lifting during soldering or assembly operations, and two, there is a weak point at the conductor pad interface. Any stress to this area can cause a fracture of the conductor at this point. This robust design has the following advantages. With the addition of the anchoring spur and pad fillet, the amount of hold down has been dramatically increased. The fillet greatly expands the copper surface area, increasing its strength and virtually eliminating any risk of conductor fracture at the pad-conductor interface.